Hi, I'm Garen. It's just been announced that the Mobile Awards are coming to Glasgow this year. The Mobile Awards are coming to Glasgow, and we're going to ask you why they should be held here.
And how do you think Glasgow is good for the Mobile Awards?
It's a very nice and friendly city. I think it'll do well to have the Mobile Awards here.
And how do you think Glasgow is great for the Mobile Awards?
Well, Glasgow is great for everything. We've got everything. We've got music, we've got culture, everything. I mean, everything should go on in Glasgow.
I think Glasgow's great for the Mobile Awards because it's possibly the friendliest city I've ever been in. Last week I was helping with the International Weeks with all the foreign students coming in. They were all just getting blown over by how friendly people who are willing to give them directions. Ability to understand them though, that's in debate, but at least people have a good heart.
As you can tell, Glasgow is a great city for the Mobile Awards. The people we've interviewed have all agreed it's a friendly and vibrant city. Tonight we're expecting JLS, LaToya Jackson and N-Dubz amongst others, and this pays testament to the people of Glasgow. So tonight we'll see you at the Mobile Awards. Thank you, over and out.